Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the grammar part of the lesson A Soldier's Son. First one is word formation is given. Make compound nouns using the words given. Example, they have given the word post. By using the word post, you can make compound nouns postman, postmaster, postcard, post office, postmark, postpaid. And they have given a word life. You have to make compound nouns by using the word life. So life-buoy, life guard, lifeline, life size, life secure, life jacket, lifelong, lifetime. The next one is grammar, the noun clause. 7 examples of noun clauses are given below. Study them and know the grammatical functions of the noun clauses. It is just for your reading and understanding. Go through it. He will never come here again. He told me so. These are simple sentences. He told me that he would never come here again. And this is a complex sentence. The italicized clause is a noun clause. It is the object of the verb phrase told me. The second one is, where did I put my necklace? I don't remember. I don't remember where I put my necklace. Here, object of the verb remember. Children, rest of the things you have to go through by self-reading. So here, before entering into the exercise number 1, let us learn about what is noun clause. A noun clause is a dependent clause that acts as a noun. Noun clauses begin with words like how, that, what, whatever, when, where, etc. And the next one is about subject and predicate. What is subject? A subject is a person or thing that is doing an action, or the person or thing that is focus of the sentence. Example, Mary liked to run at the public park. And what is predicate? The predicate of the sentence is the part that contains this action. Example, do your homework. The next one we are going to learn about complex sentence. What is a complex sentence? A complex sentence is a sentence that contains an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. An independent clause can stand alone as a sentence, but a dependent clause, even though it has a subject and a verb, cannot stand alone. Example, the football match was cancelled because it was raining. The answer is, because it was raining, the football match was cancelled. Now let's go towards the exercises number 1. Look at these pairs of sentences. Rewrite them as complex sentences with the noun clauses. Underline the noun clauses. The first one is, where have I left my bicycle? I remember it. The answer is, I remember where I have left my bicycle. The second one is, they caught the thief with their jewels. This is how they did it. The answer is, this is how they caught the thief with the jewels. And the third one is, do something now, everything depends on it. The answer is, Everything depends on what he is going to do. And the fourth one is, he was saying something about his troubles. I listened to him. The answer is, I was listening about his troubles. And the last one is, my son will win a prize in the high jump event. I am certain of that, she said. The answer is, she was certain that her son would win a prize in high jump event. And the next exercise 2, the noun clause begins with that or what we may call WH words. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words given in the brackets. Why, that, whether, where, how, when. And here comes news reporter. Why have you people become factory workers? And the conversation of Devaya, Krishnappa, Rajanna are given here. Let's go through. Devaya, we lost our fields. This is the place where we used to grow ragi. Next, Krishnappa says, they said that we should sell our fields and we had to sell them. Next, Rajanna says, that is when we lost our fields and we had to sell them. And Rajanna says, that is when we lost our fields. Here Krishnappa says, that is how this factory came up. And Devaya responds, that is why we have become factory workers. And again Rajanna says, we don't know whether our children will ever become farmers again. And next we are going to learn about what is prefix. Prefix is a letter which we add to the beginning of a word to make a word with a different meaning. Example, possible, impossible. And what is suffix? Suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word. Example, regular, regularly, equip, equipment. Now let's go to towards our exercise which is given here. The cloud carries words which can be joined to the prefixes and suffixes in the bubbles. Make as many words as possible by trying out different combinations. Sometimes both a prefix and suffix can be used to make longer words. Observe how the meanings of the words change after you have added affixes to them. Justice, child, grape, graduate, equip, race, active, etc. These kind of words are given. How to make it prefix or suffixes. And it comes as injustice, childish, autograph, undergraduate, equipment, graphic, inactive, unhealthy, unfortunate, misjudge, quickly, irresponsible, judgment, actively, misfortune, irregular, unsuccessful, inaccurate, disappear, indirect, postgraduate, successfully, regularly, directly. Go through writing exercise which is asked to do. Try to do it. At the same time, read and enjoy. A story is given. Read it and understand it and enjoy it. Children, try to understand the grammar part and copy down the exercises in your classwork. And also learn the lesson properly. Thank you.